Yes, I'm going to the supermarket. Do you want to come with me? I think the supermarket is closed now. Oh, when that is closed, it's closed at 7 on Sundays. That's too bad. Don't worry, we can go tomorrow morning. It's open at 8. Alright, what do you want to do now? Let's take a walk for half an hour. My sister will get here at about 8:30 and then we can all go out to dinner. Where does she live? She lives in San Francisco. How long has she lived there? I think she lived there for about 10 years. That's a long time. Where did she live before that? San Diego.